So 2 years ago, I was kind of hated by my family. No one really respected me, or no one really valued anything I said. And bro, I wasn't even getting the respect I wanted from my friends as well. And so I was like, I've had enough of this. And so I glowed up, started doing lots of cool stuff, did lots of internal work, and now, bro, I can say that I am that guy of my campus. Like, not to toot my own horn or something, but bro, 5 to 6 months ago, like our campus has this policy that before the classes start, all the boys, all the guys are gathered in one class. And so on that day, I wasn't like doing anything cool or like doing something. I was just casually and normally, like just walking into the campus, and then in that classroom all the guys were doing something, like some were writing something, some were talking, some were just sitting and doing nothing, and some were standing in groups and talking and laughing. And bro, as soon as I entered that room, every single guy in that class raised his head and looked at me, like for just a split second. Every single guy did that. And so bro, this is how you get other people to respect you and like you. So the first thing you want to start doing is you want to start doing something cool with your life. Like bro, most of us spend most of our day, like all of our day, on social media. Like even I do this. Like I spend nearly all of my day on weekends inside my house. Like I don't do anything else. Yeah, I just like work. I just read books. I like read Quran and like exercise, and then I don't do anything cool with my life. And so bro, we don't want to be living a boring life, because only boring people will like you if you live a boring life. And so we don't want that. And bro, most of us on self-improvement think that if we work all day, we will make a lot of progress towards our goal. And that is very, very true. But this means that we are just working all day and we are living a boring life. We don't do anything cool, we don't do anything adventurous in our life. And so bro, what you want to start doing is you want to start going on a weekly adventure. And bro, if you say that nobody plans a weekly adventure for me, why don't you start planning the weekly adventure? Like if nobody is planning the adventure, why don't you be the initiator? Why don't you be the person who plans the trip, who plans the plan, who plans the plan, and then he tells everybody else, be here, and this is our plan, and this is what we're going to do, and this is and then we're going to have fun, and then we're going to have an adventure. And so bro, be the initiator. So for this, you will need to learn social skills. I would recommend you these 2 books. Just start reading these 2 books, and bro, your social skills will be better than everybody else that you can see around you. After you start doing something cool with your life, you need to blow up, because bro, the halo effect is true. The halo effect is that if you look good, like if you are an attractive person, people will like you more and people will respect you more. Like I have literally noticed it in my life. Like as soon as I glowed up, people automatically started to like me more and respect me more. The next thing is bro, that you care a lot. You care a lot about the opinions of other people. So you don't enter a flow state. You are constantly thinking to yourself. You are constantly overthinking in your mind whenever you are in a social group. Like you are constantly thinking that everybody in the room, everybody in the group is watching every single step that I make, every single thing that I say, and every single thing that I'm. But bro, they can't even see your brain. You can't even see your brain. So bro, you care a lot about everything. You want to start entering a flow state. Like I know this is easier said than done. Like even I have difficulty sometimes getting into a flow state when I am like not around with someone who I am comfortable with. But bro, you need to know about the spotlight effect. The spotlight effect is that everybody thinks that everybody else in the room is thinking and looking at me. And so every single move I make and every single thing I say will be thought about and will be listened and will be watched by all the other people in the room. If all the people in that room are thinking this and all of the people are going through this spotlight effect, nobody is really thinking about anybody else and everybody is just thinking about themselves. That all the people are in the room are thinking about me, and that person is also thinking that, and that person is also thinking that. And so all the people are thinking about themselves and thinking that everybody else in the room is thinking about me. And so in reality, nobody is thinking about the other people. Everybody is just thinking about himself because he is going through the spotlight effect. And so if you can be the person who breaks through this spotlight effect, and then you can stop to overthink about yourself, and every single move that you do, you will enter a social flow state. And bro, when you start to enter a social flow state, you will just see that you can do so much better in social situations than you thought you can do. and how to enter a social flow state. Whenever you are about to enter into a social group, or like whenever you're about to go somewhere, just visualize yourself for just like 10 seconds. Even if you don't close your eyes, just visualize yourself entering into a flow state. Like you go there, you shake your hands with the person, and then you have all of this energy. Just visualize yourself entering a flow state before you enter any social situation. I want to ask you, what is personality? Like, personality is the thing that is unique for every single person. And so, bro, you need to start being authentic. You need to start being the person who is not covering himself up with other layers. Because, bro, you need to think of yourself as a magnet, and all the people around you are pieces of iron or steel. And so, bro, when you have rust on you, when you have other pieces, when you have like a piece of cloth, or when you have like a piece of paper on you, other people will not be attracted as much to you as they would be attracted to you if you did not have that piece of paper or that piece of cloth on you. So, bro, you need to start being yourself. You need to start being authentic. You need to stop putting on a performance, and you need to just start showing yourself as you are. Like this does not mean that you stop improving, and this does not mean that you stop putting in the effort. You put in the effort before going into the social situation, and even while you are in the social situation. And bro, you improve yourself when you are alone and when you are in the grind mode. And then but then when you are in the social situation, you just give yourself, you just be authentic, you just show yourself as you are currently. Like you're not perfect or anything, but you are who you are. Like that's it. Like no man is too good for self-improvement. So you can't say to yourself that I have already improved as much as I could, and so I'm not on self-improvement anymore. Like no, that is not possible. Like you need to be improving yourself, but when you are in a social situation, you need to show yourself. You need to be authentic. You need to be who you are. You need to be free of rust, so that all the pieces of iron can be attracted to you. To understand this last piece of advice, you need to think that, bro, when we used to be warriors, our enemies used to hate us, and our allies used to love us. Our allies used to love us because they had the same values as us. Our enemies used to hate us because they had different values. And bro, a warrior was okay with the fact that all people don't like him, that he has some enemies. And bro, you need to be okay with the fact that all the people in the entire world will never like you unless you put on a performance. And even when you do that, that is impossible, because you cannot put on a performance for the rest of your life, and that will tire you, and you cannot do that, and that performance will be broken down at some point of your life. And so, bro, you need to polarize people. You need to start taking them to the extremes. Either they love you or they hate you. So when you do this, people will be polarized. There will be no one in the middle. Either people will like you or people will hate you. The people who will like you, they will like you for you because you are authentic, and they will really like you. And the people who hate you will hate you for you, and that is okay. Like it's okay. Like it's okay that some people don't like you. Like they might not like hate you, but they just don't like you, and that is okay. Like bro, you can never make everybody happy. Like that used to be a moral story in our like early classes, but we never took this seriously. Now when we really think about it, it was all about polarizing people. And so bro, just know that a warrior is okay with the fact that not everybody in the world likes him, and he is okay with showing himself. And so bro, do good, and I'll see you in Jannah.